I've been posting a lot this week about how to be a light in a dark world. But how can we actually be a light? Wait, you can't actually see me, can you? Let me switch on the light. One sec. Okay, how can we be a light? A smile, a dial, text someone you haven't seen in a while. You know, a meal for two is not a big deal for you. You cook every day. So why not invite someone over for dinner one day? Doing these little nice things doesn't make you weak, by the way. Doing these things doesn't make you a freak. Doing these things makes you an awesome person. You just blessed someone's week. Their week was dull and dry. You just added light and flavor. Goodness is contagious. They're going to share this with their neighbor. You see, these things don't take time, but they go a long way. These are simple ways to make someone's day. I repeat, a smile, a dial, text someone you haven't seen in a while. God bless you. Have a nice day. My name is Ike.